Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are very good. So, I'm Sunil. This is MS Classes and I am teaching you mathematics. Okay? So, today we are starting from number system. So, students, you know, every person counts something. Okay? When you count something, from where you will start? I will start from 1, 2, 3. Let's say I have some pens and I will start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you see every person starting counting from 1. So in number system our first numbers are natural numbers. So first numbers, these are natural numbers. So let's write natural numbers. So guys, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are those numbers which are starting from 1 and at where these numbers are end? Nowhere. These numbers are continuing. These numbers are all numbers starting from 1. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So all the numbers that used to count something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These all numbers are called natural number. And after natural number we will study about the whole number. So guys, what are whole numbers? So here whole numbers, when we add these number only 0. So when we start from 0, these numbers are whole number. So whole number means that's are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. When we add 0 in the natural number, it will become whole numbers. So I think you will understand what are natural numbers and what are whole numbers. So natural number are those numbers are starting from 1 and continuing so on, and whole numbers are those numbers which are starting from 0. And after these two numbers we will discuss about prime numbers. So prime numbers are what? So prime numbers are what? So guys, prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Factors that are 1 and itself. Those numbers which have only two factors, like 1 and itself. So those numbers which have only two factor like 1 and itself. For example, 2. So 2 have only two factors. These factors are these are 1 multiplied by 2 or 1 comma 2. Next example, 3. So 3 into 1, this is equal to 1 comma 3 and so on. So those numbers which have only two factors are called prime number. After prime numbers we will discuss about prime number we will discuss about the composite number. So what are composite number? Composite number are those numbers having factor more than 2. Those number having more than 2 factors. For example, we have a number 4. So 4 have factors 2 into 2 into 1 or 2 comma 2 comma 1. So 4 have 3 factors. These factors are 2 comma 2 comma 1. So composite numbers are those numbers having factors more than 2. For example, 4 have factor 2 into 2 into 1. So 2 comma 1. So after that we will discuss about integers. So what are integers, guys? So we know natural numbers and whole numbers. So when we add these all in one bucket, all numbers are called integers. So integers are those numbers having positive, negative and 0. So integers are those numbers having positive number, 0 and negative numbers. Like -1, -2, -3, so on. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. So integers are all numbers. To left side these numbers are negative numbers, to right side of 0 these numbers are positive numbers. So all of these are integers. So guys, we have these 5 types of numbers. We have actually more types of numbers, but today we will discuss about these 5 types. So I hope you will understand, and thank you for watching.